submerged in the cement. Okay, so I think adjust that to the proper consistency or viscosity. Okay, so I think this is now ready. Okay, look at that. Okay, so I think we're now ready to pour the cement. Okay, I put this to support the cement, to prevent the cement from breaking. Okay, sometimes in your garden, so you step on the stepping stone, because as the name it says, stepping stone. Okay, mindlessly you step on them in the garden. Okay, so there. Okay, so we have to lift the support a little. Okay, putting that in the middle of the thickness. Oh, there's a stone. Okay. Okay, I made this a little elevated in the middle. Okay, to avoid how it look, the appearance as it is flat. So when it is a little elevated, therefore, I guess somehow it is interesting to see. Okay, so shake to eliminate the vacuum inside. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, nip shape. Okay, so a little of elevated in the middle. Okay, like somehow convex. Okay, and then still wet. Okay, I'm going to arrange the leaves. Okay, in alternating manner. Okay, so I'm going to press the midrib. Okay, to let the midrib design come out. And then all the parts of the leaf, you have to press. Okay, sometimes if you don't, then there are bubbles inside below this leaf, which cannot be covered with cement or filled with cement. Okay, so that's it. Okay, another here, and another the other direction of the tip. Okay. Okay, I press deeper this on the stem. Okay, this is to avoid how it look as being flat. So let's have variations on the level. Okay, and then the third one in the middle. Okay, if you can see the arrangement. Okay, the tip goes this way, and then okay, that way. Okay, so how I do it to let the leaf or the leaves stay in place, I place small stones on top, okay, to let them stay in their position. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here, okay, push a little. Okay. Okay, we have to maintain the shape which is circular. After 2 hours, you can have the mold taken out, and then you can shape the circle to make it a little perfect. Okay, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel, Leonardo Meado on YouTube.